Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Elizar. So karon andito tayo sa kuan kanang atubangan sa among balay, and I'm going to show you our eggplant in a pot. No, so this is one of our advocacy that you are going to plant your own food, no, para di nakakinahanglan mag-apply pag mga insecticides, pesticides. Try to plant your own food para safe siya, safe to eat. Now actually, besides of our busy schedules as teacher, but still we did this one. So napakadali lang gawin natin. So try to look at our eggplant, and there's no fertilizer applied to this, only the compost, no, kanang dayami, no, ng palay. So ito lang siya, and mga dahon, yun lang yun ang nilagay namin dito as ginamit namin as pampataba for our eggplants. So as you look at, probably this one is the third or fourth times harvest that we're going to do now, no. So makakain na tayo ng kuan, and try to look at, napakahaba siya. So more than one dangkal, no, isa ka dangaw. So mauna na siya. And aside from our eggplant, we have also lots of vegetables in our backyard or around our house. In short, we plant our own food, no? So that's it. And ang dili problema ang space, because we have a very small space only. We have 100 square meters area. Napay balay plus this, and I have hydroponics there, and this one also. So area is not a problem. So but if you want to know some more details or more details about what we've done, so you can send us message for us to give you an advice on how are we how to grow this eggplant in a pot na maging successful siya. At sometimes nalalagay sa mga ulod, but we can remove it, no, individually for us to grow like this. Okay, so that's it. And I have a tutorial video on how we plant this eggplant. So just check my channel, Teacher Elizar, and you can view those videos on how we plant or how we grow eggplant in a pot. So manguha na ko og kuan kanang talong kay amuan ng kuanon. So try okay, pakita na ko ninyo. Okay, di ba? So this one is very kuan, so healthy siya. So wa jud siya spray og kanang insecticides and pesticides, and aside from that, wala pud siya kuan abunuhi. So natural ang kuan abuno. So makasigurado ka nga kung ikaw nagtanom, it is very safe to eat, no? Very safe to feed your children. So dili ka mag-alanganin nga unsa kay gi-spray ani, unsa kay gibutang ani para kuan. So ug ikaw magtanom, so nindot jud kay siya. So just like this, no, so malibre na, no. So maka-save na kayo ka sa imo ang pagpananom, ka-save na ka. So this one is one way of saving. So kung gamay ra ang ato ang income, still plan. So ang ginawa ko every day, di ako natutulog kung hindi ako nakapagtanim ng kahit isang eggplant or isang lettuce, any vegetables na pwede na akong itanom diri sa among area. So mo na akong itanom para in few days na nako i-harvest, na napo ko makakaon sa akong kuan. So sa akong mga anak, no, sa akong pamilya and whatsoever. So mao na siya, guys, and I hope you are going to do also in your home, no. So dili ko nila lahat, no, kasi yung iba hindi talaga interesado, but for me, I am very interested. Now, for those who don't know me yet, so naging teacher ako in Metro Manila, no, particularly Antique City, for I think for 10 years or more than 10 years, and also in the Dipolog City. So nakatry ko na ako sa syudad. Still we plant vegetables in our area, in our house. So And for those na gusto nilang healthy, so you can order also our products, our vegetables. Just PM me for more details. But basta within the area, or you can visit my mini farm, my mini hydroponics farm, wherein you can buy our fresh lettuce, for only 25 pesos per cup. So mo na siya. So thank you very much. That's all for today. Bye-bye. This is Teacher Eliazar once again. I hope you are going to subscribe my channel. God bless us all.